I am inviting you guys to visit the Medine Property stand, which will be held here in Cascavelle, 4th and 5th of July. Be among the first ones to discover the latest residential development by Medine Property. Discover 77 residential plots in the heart of Medine Smart City with a starting price of 5.9 million rupees. The offer is exclusively for Mauritians or Mauritian diaspora. Meet our sales team and discover this unique investment opportunity in front of Winners Cascavelle this weekend.
Découvrez le spectre complet de la vie mauricienne sur Mauradio. Politique, économie, culture, à vous le choix.